Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So traders, the Bitcoin prices are getting absolutely, well actually not just Bitcoin, we're getting a crypto mania on the downside. And we're absolutely getting crushed right now. And I know so many people, even some of my friends right now, oh my goodness, you know, just a month ago, maybe 2 months ago, you know, everyone's saying, well, we know we should be in Bitcoin because it's only going to go up. It's like, really? Bitcoin's only going to go up? Really? You know, guys, and you've got all these different things out there, right? You got, you know, these different patterns and cycles and all that sort of stuff. And just, it's, you know, and it's just crazy, right? It's just crazy. Now, here's the really interesting thing. Bitcoin prices, look at this here. Bitcoin, not that long ago, was at 64,000. It actually hit the 30,000 print, which I actually had a target with some of my private clients. Now, here's the really interesting thing that you must understand about the markets and about trading itself, is that the market was giving us a bit of a warning that we're about to see some selling, or we could be getting ready to see some strong selling in the markets. And if I bring up this here, you can see I did a video a few days ago, and the video, this one right here, it says Bitcoin broke out of its channel. Is this the start? Is this the start of a crash? Right? So I talked about the video and, you know, and about the channel, and I talked about how it's just broken out now. We just broke past 50,000, so we could be getting ready for a crash in the markets, etc., etc. That's exactly what I was doing there, right? You can see just a few days ago. But we look at the Bitcoin chart now, look what happened, right? We broke past 50,000 and then flash down, all the way down. Now, here's the thing. First thing, guys, I want to talk to you about basic, simple analysis. But then also I'm going to talk to you about, like, is this now a bit of a flash crash and then we're going to go boom straight back into a bull market? Or could we just now be shifting now from a bull market into a bear market? So let's have a look at this here. One of the most important things, and let me one of the most important things, guys, right? One of the most important things to your trading is just understanding simple trend analysis. And it's so powerful to understand just simple trend analysis, and the market was screaming at us. And in fact, this is the screenshot that I put up for my private clients a few days ago, actually. This is the Bitcoin chart here. And I was telling them, I was saying to them, like, listen, with so many people in Bitcoin right now, the market has changed. We are changing tune right now. Watch out for a change in trend from uptrend to a downtrend, or buyers in control to sellers in control. See, most people are just focusing on the market going up, but look at this here. The market made a low, then it made a higher low, then it made a higher low, and then it made a higher low, right? Look what happened here. We started to change trend. Lower low, lower high, breaking past previous lows. The bull market is over for now, okay? And it says, if an uptrend breaks its previous significant low, which is this one right here, it is an indication that the uptrend could now be ending. To confirm a new downtrend, meaning sellers are now in control, no longer in a bull market, we need a lower high breaking past the previous low. And as you can see, this image right here is exactly, this one right here is exactly what we have of a change in trend from a bull market to a bear market. Higher lows all the way up, higher lows, higher lows. Then we made a lower low, lower high. As soon as we break past here, then it's all over. So I put this on to my private clients and saying, guys, change in trend. The buyers are no longer in control, and we could start to see some more selling movement. And I did a YouTube video saying, listen, guys, be careful out there right now. And I even said in that video, this is one of the reasons why I haven't bought into the whole crypto mania right now, because I just see things too high. I refuse to chase the crypto market. When something is high, when most people are talking about it, heck, I even have people at my gym. You know, one guy's like, oh, yeah, made a lot of money here. And then I had one of the ladies, they messaged me should I get in now? Is it going to go up, or should I get in now? Is it going to continue to go up? She goes, I put $1,000 into the market and I turned it to 1,700. Woohoo! Oh yeah, she got lucky. Is it gonna keep going up? And that's when I knew, and that was only like a week ago, right? That was actually on Ethereum. Boom! Right? What happened? Market just collapses. So. Right now we're getting so much of, again, so many people were saying Bitcoin can only go up, and there's stocks to flow charts and the halving cycles and this cycles and that cycles and blah, blah, blah. Guys, the fact of the matter is that the market was always speaking to us. The market's smarter than us. And as soon as we broke past this 50,000 here, I was alerting my private clients straight away. Guys, if you're in Bitcoin, this is now where we could see some strong selling, and then bam, we go down and we flush down. Now, what is going on right now? Is this just a flash crash before we continue the bull market, or what? Now, firstly, no one knows, but let's actually just take on based on what we see, what we hope or what we think is going to happen or what we're fearful is going to happen. If we look at the market now, the market goes in cycles, right? Or the market goes through swings. So in an upward trend, we do exactly what we did back here. What do? We go for a move up and a move down, right? So what happens, right? We go for a move up and then we have the pullback. Creates a higher low. And then the market goes for another run and then we go for a pullback. Just because we pull back here doesn't mean the buyer's in control. Guess why? This is the lower high, this is a high low. This is now another higher low compared to this low. So who's still in control? The buyers. Even though we get a selling period, buyers are still in control. Then we have another move up and then we get another pullback. Higher low again as well too. So that's in an upward trend. In a downward trend, what do we have? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Now, in the periods where we get these pullbacks, people think, oh, the bottom's in, the bottom's in, the bottom's in. Have you guys actually leave a comment below. Have you watched Rogue Trader before? The whole thing where the market was crashing, so he kept writing put options basically. And he lost like $50 billion or $50 million or whatever it was in one day. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you've actually seen that movie, right? An incredible good movie. So if we're looking at what the market's telling us right now, what's going on right now in these markets? Well, firstly, bull trend is over. The bull trend is over. Done and dusted. It was actually over here once it actually broke past. This is the confirmation right here, right there, was when I sent out an alert to my private clients to say, listen guys, you got to put the brakes on now. This is not good. And the market's saying we're rolling over, and then bam, we're in from like 50 down to 30 in 4 days. Flash crash, right? So let's have a look at this here. What's happening right now? Well, we are in a downward trend. Now remember, in a downward trend, we get what? We get pullbacks, don't we? We get the market moving down, and then we get a pullback. Market moving down, then we get a pullback. Sometimes a big pullback, and then we do that. So as long as we continue to do lower highs, and lower highs, the sellers are in control. So for the Bitcoin market out there, we can see that if I take everything off the screen, we can see what? We've had a move up, and the rip down, move up, lower high. The tune has now started to change in Bitcoin. Tuning is changing. Chaining is tuning. Tuning is chaining is tuning. Right? So the tune is changing now. And now we get what? Another rip down to here. So if we start to get something like that, does that mean the bottom's in? We don't know. But the likelihood is what? We may get a rally like that. And then guess what? And then, oh, boom, the sellers come back in and knock it back down again, right? Because why? We're now in a downward phase. We're now in a downward trend. And the trend is your friend until the end. This here, my friends, was the end of this big trend that we had for 6 months. The trend is your friend until the end. And this was the end here. And now we're changing tune. So I would not be too surprised to see if we do get any buying period through here, which we will. We'll get a bit of a pullback. Get people, oh, I told you it's gonna rally again, and blah blah blah, all that sort of crap, right? And then suddenly we're probably gonna knock it down. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So we could actually continue to see this selling leg we're getting here selling. But if we do start to get a bit of a buying leg back up, I would not be too surprised, guys, because the market is telling us we're in a downward trend, that I would not be too surprised to start to see down as soon as we get the rip as we did here, boom, down, rip, and then boom, down. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Guide the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training that goes for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go to that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.